In this video, let us learn the remaining three sums of the exercise 9.2 under polynomials. So our question is 4u square minus 8u. There is a general formula for a quadratic equation. It says ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now seeing this general formula, comparing our question with this general formula, we can notice that we have 4u square and minus 8u. And there is one term missing, that is this term, c term is missing. So here in this sum, we will replace c as 0. We'll assume it as 0 and we'll carry on our sum. So now our question will be 4u square minus 8u plus 0 is equal to 0. Now here in this 2 term, we'll take common out. 4u into u, where 4u into u is 4u square minus 2. So when we multiply 4u into 2, we'll get 8u is equal to 0. Now, if 4u, only this term, is equal to 0, then u will be equal to 0 by 4, where 4 comes below 0 and therefore u is equal to 0. Now we'll equate u minus 2 equals 0. If u minus 2 equals 0, u is equal to plus 2. Therefore, now our another value for u is 2. So we have got zeros as u is equal to 0 and u is equal to 2. Now we have to carry on our verification part. So our first part is sum of zeros should be equal to minus b by a. So our a value is 4 and b value is minus 8. So coming to the sum of zeros, 0 plus 2 should be equal to minus of, our b value is minus 8 by a. 0 plus 2 is 2 is equal to minus into minus is plus, 4 ones are 4 twos are 2. So we have got 2 is equal to 2. So we have verified that whatever zeros we have got is correct. The next part of verification is product of zeros should be equal to c by a. So our c value is 0 and a value is 4. Now our product of zeros is 0 into 2 should be equal to 0 by 4. Now 0 twos are is 0 and 0 divided by any number will always be 0. So 0 is equal to 0. We have verified that whatever answer we have got is correct. Our next question is t square minus 15. Again you can see that when we compare the given question with the general formula of the quadratic equation, we have t square and minus 15, and here the middle term, that is b, is missing. But here we are not going to assume anything as 0. Our question will be just t square minus 15. Now this t square can be written as t the whole square, minus comes as it is, and the number 15 can be written as root 15 the whole square. Now for example, root 2 into root 2 will be 2, because when we multiply two roots, the root will get cancelled and the number which is present inside the root won't get multiplied. Instead they come as it is. Now root 3 into root 3, the answer will be only 3, because roots get cancelled out. Similarly, 15 can be written as root 15 into root 15. That is nothing but 15 is equal to root 15 the whole square. So hence here the 15 can be written as root 15 the whole square. So now whatever equation we have got, it is looking as similar as a square minus b square formula. So our a square minus b square formula says that a plus b into a minus b. So according to our this formula, we'll equate our equation whatever we have got. So t square minus root 15 the whole square can be written as t plus root 15 and t minus root 15. Now if t plus root 15 is equal to 0, then t will be equal to minus root 15. If t minus root 15 is equal to 0, then t will be equal to plus root 15. So these are the two zeros what we have got. So now let us move on to the verification part. So our first part under verification is sum of zeros should be equal to minus b by a. Our a value is 1, b value is 0 and c value is minus 15. Now for this we'll do the verification. Sum of zeros, that is minus root 15 plus root 15 is equal to minus b value is 0 by a value is 1. Now minus and plus gets cancelled. So the answer is 0 is equal to 0. So hence we have verified that whatever zeros we have got is correct. Next we'll move on to another part of verification, that is product of zeros should be equal to c by a. Product of zeros, that is plus root 15 into minus root 15 should be equal to c by a. Our c value is minus 15 by a, that is 1. Plus into minus is minus. Root 15 into root 15 will be 15 is equal to minus 15. So hence we verified that whatever answer we have got is correct. Let us move on to the sixth question. 3x square minus x minus 4. Now here we'll take out the multiple for number 12. How number 12? We are multiplying the last term and the first term. 4 3s is 12. Now for this 12 we'll see the multiples. It is 3 and 4. 3 4s is 12. Now we'll split the middle term. So our next second step will be 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. The next step will be, here we are supposed to take the common out. Here we will take for these two terms 3 as common out, 3x into x plus 1. So which gives 3x into x is 3x square plus 3x into 1 is 3x. Here we will take minus 4 as common out. x, minus into minus is plus 1. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus 4 into plus 1 is minus 4. So our next step will be group these two as 1 and group the terms which are present outside the bracket under one bracket. If x plus 1 equals 0, then x equal to minus 1. If 3x minus 4 equal to 0, then 3x equal to plus 4, x will be equal to 4 by 3. We have got our x value as minus 1 and x is equal to 4 by 3. Now we'll move on to our verification part. The first is sum of zeros should be equal to minus b by a. Our a value is 3 and b value is minus 1 and our c value is minus 4. Sum of zeros, that is minus 1 plus 4 by 3 should be equal to minus b value is minus 1 by a. Our a value is 3. Now here the denominator here for minus 1 is 1 and for 4 it is 3. So our denominators are different. When our denominators are different, we should not directly add or subtract our numerators. Instead, we are supposed to take LCM. How to take the LCM is multiply 3 with 1, 1 with 4 and 3 with 1. So 3 ones is 3, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 1 into 4 will be 4, 3 ones are 3, should be equal to minus into minus is plus 1 by 3. Now minus 3 and plus 4 is 1 because plus into minus is minus. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and greater number sign is plus. So 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 and hence we have proved that whatever answer we have got is correct. The next part of verification is product of zeros should be equal to c by a. Product of zeros, that is minus 1 into 4 by 3 is equal to c. Our c value is minus 4 by a. Our a value is 3. Now here we have plus sign. So plus into minus is minus. 4 by 3 into 1 is 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 and hence we have proved that whatever answer we have got is correct. And this ends our 9.2 exercise under polynomials.